Hi, and welcome to Certain Media DIY Musician Secret number 30, Introduction to Podcasting for DIY Musicians. You don't have to do this one at all. It will help your career if you decide to add this as part of your portfolio. So you might ask yourself, as a musician, why would I want a podcast? The answer is simple. This is just one more way for people who might like your music to find out about it and get to know who you are at the same time. Podcasts are the fastest growing medium in the entertainment industry. So many people create them because they're an effective tool for storytelling, much like a song. But if you don't want to create your own podcast, for a musician like yourself, you can get into licensing your music to podcasts for their theme music, bumper music, or web series theme music, bumper music. You can create your own podcast versus being on them, which also allows you to tell your story in the way you want it to be told and to control the narrative. And again, this is a great medium for storytelling. So even if you're not telling stories about yourself and your music, you can have other people on to tell stories about themselves and expose people to musicians or other artists that they might not have previously known about. But that's it. That's the bonus module. This is just an introduction to podcasting. If you really want to get into it, we have another course coming up called Do It Yourself Podcasting Secrets. Stay tuned for that this fall. It's going to be 10 modules, easy peasy, from going to zero to being up and running a podcast and getting it out and published and listens and everything like that. So stay tuned. See you there.